Question: square root of a plus b is equal to 20 and a plus square root of b is equal to 10. Then we have to find out the value of a plus b. This question is given. This question we can use Ramanujan's method for this question. So first, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now subtracting equation 2 from 1, what we will get? Square root of a minus a plus b minus square root of b is equal to 20 minus 10, 10. Clear? This is equation 3rd. Now arranging this term, okay, b minus a minus square root of b plus square root of a is equal to 10. Clear? Now we can write b as square root of b square minus a square root of a square. a को स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए कर सकते हैं एंड बी को स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी के फॉर्म में हम लिख सकते हैं. माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 10. नाउ दिस इज द स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला. नाउ ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बी माइनस ए एंड बी प्लस ए. सो वी कैन राइट इन दिस वे स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए square root of b minus square root of a. Clear? Now minus square root of b plus square root of a is equal to 10. Now यहाँ पे भी square root of b plus a and यहाँ पे भी square root of b plus a. Taking square root of b plus a common, square root of b plus square root of a. Now what we will get? Square root of b minus square root of a minus 1 is equal to 10. Clear? Now 10 के जो फैक्टर होंगे क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? 10 का फैक्टर हम बोल सकते हैं 1 इंटू 10, 10, 2 5 ज़ा 10, क्लियर, 5 2 ज़ा 10 एंड 10 1 ज़ा 10. दिस इज अ फैक्टर फॉर 10. Now square root of b plus square root of a into square root of b minus square root of a minus 1 is equal to 10. Now therefore square root of b plus square root of a is equal to, we can write 10 or 5 or 2 or 1. This is the factor for 10. Same way square root of b minus square root of a minus 1 is equal to, we can write 1, 2, 5 or 10. Clear? Now adding this equation, this is equation 4 and this is equation 5. Adding 4 and 5 we will get 2 square root of b. Adding this equation, 2 square root of b plus square root of a minus square root of a cancel, minus 1 is equal to 10 plus 1 11, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 2 7 and 10 plus 1 11. Clear? Now 2 square root of b is equal to, this will go here, then 12, 8, 8 and 12. Clear? Now therefore square root of b is equal to divide this all term, then 6, 4, 4 and 6. Now taking square both side, we will get square root of b square. b is equal to 6 का square 36, 4 16, 4 16 and 6 36. But b is equal to not 36 possible, because total addition in question is given 20. Square root of a plus b is equal to 20. So this is not possible. So b is equal to 16. Clear? And we have to find out the value of a plus b. Now Now from equation 1, square root of a plus b is equal to 20. This is given. Square root of a plus b is 16 is equal to 20. Therefore, square root of a is equal to 20 minus 16, 4. Therefore, a is equal to, taking square, both side a is equal to 16. This is the value for a. And we have to find out the value of a plus b. This is the question. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. This is the value for a plus b. And this is the solution. Thank you.